URGS International Refractory Bricks Supply Solutions. Welcome to URGS International, your trusted global sourcing and industrial supply partner for high quality refractory bricks and heat resistant materials. In high temperature industries, refractory materials are not just construction products, they are the backbone of operational safety, thermal efficiency, furnace durability, and production reliability. At URGS International, we specialize in providing reliable, cost effective, and performance driven refractory supply solutions for industries across India and international markets. From steel plants and cement industries to petrochemical units, power plants, glass manufacturing, and thermal processing industries, we support industrial operations with dependable refractory products and strong supply chain coordination. In this video, we will discuss what refractory bricks are, types of refractory materials, industrial applications, key technical properties, challenges industries face, how URGS International provides efficient supply solutions, and why businesses trust us for long term industrial partnerships. Let us begin. Section 1. What are refractory bricks? Let us see this. Refractory bricks are specialized heat resistant materials designed to withstand extremely high temperatures, thermal shocks, abrasion, chemical attacks, and harsh industrial environments. Unlike conventional construction bricks, refractory materials maintain their strength and structural integrity even at temperatures exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius, 1400 degrees Celsius, 1700 degrees Celsius, and even higher depending on composition. These materials are essential in industries where furnaces operate continuously, molten metals are processed, boilers generate heat, or thermal processing is critical. The primary role of refractory materials includes thermal insulation, heat containment, energy efficiency, furnace protection, equipment life enhancement, process stability. Without proper refractory lining, industrial furnaces lose efficiency, energy consumption increases, maintenance costs rise, and equipment failures become more frequent. This is why selecting the correct refractory material is extremely important for industrial performance. Now, types of refractory bricks. Let us see this. First, fire clay bricks. Fire clay bricks are among the most widely used refractory materials. These are suitable for moderate to high temperature applications, boilers, small furnaces, kilns, and general industrial heating systems. Advantages: good thermal resistance, cost effective, reliable durability, suitable for various industrial operations. Then second is high alumina refractory bricks. High alumina bricks contain a higher percentage of alumina, offering superior heat resistance, high mechanical strength, better load bearing capability, and excellent thermal stability. These are extremely used in steel industries, cement plants, metallurgical industries, and high temperature process industries. Then next is insulation refractory bricks. These lightweight refractory bricks are designed mainly for heat insulation, energy conservation, and reducing thermal losses. Benefits include improved furnace efficiency, lower fuel consumption, reduced operating costs, and better thermal management. Then next is silica bricks. Silica bricks are ideal for coke ovens, glass furnaces, and applications requiring resistance to acidic slags. They provide excellent high temperature strength, dimensional stability, and long service life. Then next is magnesite bricks. Fifth, these bricks are highly resistant to basic slags, chemical attacks, and extreme thermal conditions. Commonly used in steel converters, electric arc furnaces, and metallurgical operations. Then sixth is Acid resistant bricks. These bricks are specially designed for chemical industries, acid processing units, and corrosive industrial environments. Their main advantage is protection against chemical degradation. Then seventh, castables, mortars, and monolithic refractories. Modern industries increasingly use monolithic refractories because they simplify installation, reduce joints, improve furnace integrity, and provide better operational performance. Applications include furnace lining repairs, boiler insulation, and customized refractory installations. Section 3, Key Technical Advantages. At URGS International, we understand that refractory performance directly impacts industrial productivity. Let us discuss the key technical advantages of high quality refractory materials. Excellent heat resistance. Refractory materials are engineered to survive extreme temperatures while maintaining structural integrity. This ensures safe operation, consistent thermal performance, and reduced downtime. Thermal shock resistance. Industrial furnaces often face rapid heating and cooling cycles. Poor quality materials crack under such conditions. High quality refractory bricks resist sudden temperature variations, cracking, and structural failures. High mechanical strength. Refractory materials must withstand mechanical loads, abrasion, impact, and operational stress. Strong refractory systems improve equipment life, operational safety, and maintenance intervals. Chemical resistance. Industrial environments often expose furnaces to acidic materials, alkalis, molten slags, and corrosive gases. Advanced refractory materials resist chemical degradation effectively. Now, energy efficiency. Modern refractory systems help reduce fuel consumption, heat loss, and operating costs. Efficient insulation improves overall plant productivity. Now, section 4, industries we serve. Steel and metallurgical industry. Steel plants operate under extremely high temperatures. Refractory applications include blast furnaces, ladles, induction furnaces, reheating furnaces, and converters. Reliable refractory performance is critical for uninterrupted production. Then cement industry. Cement plants use rotary kilns and thermal processing systems that demand durable refractory lining. Proper refractory selection improves kiln life, reduces shutdowns, and supports energy efficiency. Then next industry is power plants and boilers. Thermal power plants require refractory installation for boilers, combustion chambers, air handling systems, and thermal processing units. Then petrochemical and refinery industry. These industries need refractory materials resistance to high temperatures, chemical exposure, and aggressive industrial environments. Ceramics and glass industry. Glass furnaces and ceramic kilns require stable refractory performance for precision heating, process consistency, and production quality. Heat treatment industry. Heat treatment furnaces require precise thermal control, insulation efficiency, and reliable refractory durability. Now, section 5, common industrial challenges. Industries often face several refractory related challenges. These include frequent furnace breakdowns, poor refractory life, excessive heat loss, increased fuel consumption, thermal cracking, delayed deliveries, inconsistent product quality, high maintenance costs. One major challenge in industrial procurement is finding reliable suppliers, genuine quality, timely delivery, and technical support. This is where URGS International creates value. Now, why choose URGS International? URGS International works as a trusted industrial sourcing and supply partner. We help customers all over the world simplify procurement while ensuring quality and reliability. Direct manufacturer sourcing. Our strong industrial network enables direct factory sourcing, competitive pricing, and reliable procurement support. Pan India and global supply capability. We support domestic industries, export requirements, OEM supplies, and bulk industrial procurement. Technical and commercial coordination. Our team supports customers with product selection, supply coordination, technical understanding, and logistic management. Flexible supply solutions. We handle small orders, bulk supply, project based procurement, and long term industrial partnerships. Reliable delivery and logistics. Timely delivery is critical for industrial operations. We focus on supply chain efficiency, dispatch coordination, and dependable delivery support. Commitment to quality. At URGS International, customer trust is our priority. We work with reputed manufacturers and processing units to ensure consistent product quality, industrial compliance, and dependable performance. At last, conclusion and call to action. So in a high temperature industries, refractory materials directly impact operational efficiency, safety, equipment life, and production continuity. Choosing the right refractory partner is essential for long-term industrial success. URGS International is committed to providing reliable refractory supply solutions, strong sourcing support, competitive pricing, and dependable industrial partnerships. Whether you are looking for fire clay bricks, high alumina bricks, insulation refractories, monolithic refractories, or customized industrial furnace solutions, URGS International is ready to support your requirements. Contact us today for industrial procurement, export inquiries, project requirements, OEM supply, and long-term business partnerships. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more industrial engineering, sourcing, inspection, and manufacturing solutions updates from URGS International. Thank you.